In today's fast-paced world, managing finances can often feel like a daunting task. Whether you're trying to build up savings, pay off debt, or simply get a better grip on your budget, small changes can make a significant impact. One of the easiest ways to improve your financial situation is by finding areas in your monthly spending where you can save. The good news is that you don't have to make drastic sacrifices to start seeing results. Here are 5 easy ways to save money every month that can help you put more cash in your pocket without making major lifestyle changes. Subscription services have become a staple in many households, from streaming platforms like Netflix and Disney, plus to meal kit delivery services and fitness apps. While these subscriptions are convenient, they can quickly add up to a significant amount of money every month. The average American spends around $200 each month on subscription services, many of which they might not even use regularly. How to save? Audit your subscriptions. Start by reviewing your bank or credit card statements to identify all the recurring subscriptions you have. Look for ones you don't use often or at all. Cancel or pause unused subscriptions. If you've been paying for a service you barely use, whether it's a streaming platform, gym membership, or even a magazine subscription, cancel it. Many services also allow you to pause your subscription temporarily, which is useful if you want to come back to it later. Switch to family plans or share subscriptions. Some services, like Spotify, Netflix, and Amazon Prime, offer family or group plans that can significantly reduce the cost per person. By cutting unnecessary subscriptions, you can free up an easy $10 to $50 or more every month without feeling the pinch. Eating out is one of the easiest ways to blow your budget, and it's something many of us do without even thinking twice. Whether it's grabbing a quick coffee on the way to work, ordering takeout after a long day, or going out to dinner with friends, these small expenditures can quickly add up. The average American spends over $300 per month on dining out, which could be better spent elsewhere. How to save? Plan your meals. Take some time each week to plan your meals and snacks. Not only does this reduce impulse purchases, but it also helps you buy in bulk and make use of ingredients you already have. Batch cook and freeze meals. Cooking larger portions and freezing leftovers for future use can save both time and money. This is especially helpful on busy days when you might otherwise be tempted to order takeout. Pack your lunch. If you're in the habit of buying lunch at work, packing your own can save you significant amounts of money over time. Invest in a good lunchbox or insulated container to make packing meals more convenient. By making a few small changes in your eating habits, you could save anywhere from $100 to $300 a month, depending on your current dining out habits. In the age of digital shopping, coupons and cashback offers have evolved beyond paper flyers or store cards. There are numerous apps and websites that provide instant savings, allowing you to shop smarter. With just a little effort, you can easily cut down on your grocery bills, online shopping, and even everyday purchases. How to save? Use cashback apps. Apps like Rakuten, formerly Ebates, Honey, or Ibotta allow you to earn cash back on everyday purchases, whether online or in-store. Many apps also provide discounts or coupon codes that can be used during checkout. Look for digital coupons. Websites such as RetailMenot, Coupons.com, and even specific store apps often offer digital coupons that can be applied during your shopping. Some grocery stores even offer special deals when you scan loyalty cards. Sign up for loyalty programs. Many major retailers and grocery stores offer loyalty programs that provide instant savings or discounts after a certain number of purchases. By using these tools, you can save anywhere from 5% to 20% on your regular shopping, which can quickly add up to a significant monthly savings. Energy bills are often one of those monthly expenses that seem unavoidable. However, with a few smart changes, you can lower your utility costs without sacrificing comfort. Small changes in energy use can lead to big savings, especially over the long term. How to save? Unplug electronics. Even when turned off, many electronics continue to draw power. Unplugging devices like chargers, televisions, and appliances when not in use can save you money on your energy bill. Switch to energy-efficient appliances. If you're due for an upgrade, consider purchasing energy-efficient appliances that can help lower your energy consumption. Look for the Energy Star label when buying new refrigerators, dishwashers, washing machines, and light bulbs. Adjust your thermostat. Lowering your thermostat in the winter and raising it in the summer by a few degrees can result in noticeable savings. Consider investing in a programmable thermostat, which can automatically adjust the temperature when you're not home. Seal gaps and insulate. Drafty windows and doors can lead to higher heating and cooling costs. Sealing gaps and insulating your home better can reduce your energy consumption and lower bills. Taking steps to reduce your utility costs can easily save $50 to $100 a month, depending on your home and lifestyle. It's easy to think you'll save what's left over at the end of the month, but that's a dangerous strategy. More often than not, you'll end up spending everything in your account and have little to show for it. The key to consistent savings is automation. By setting up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts, you remove the temptation to spend. How to save? Set up automatic transfers. Many banks allow you to schedule automatic transfers to a separate savings account each month. Whether it's a small amount like $50 or a more significant portion of your paycheck, these transfers will happen without you having to think about it. Use Roundup apps. Apps like Acorns round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference in a portfolio. This is an easy way to save and invest without feeling the impact on your daily spending. Direct deposit into savings. If your employer offers direct deposit, consider having part of your paycheck sent directly to a savings account before it even hits your checking account. This way, you're not tempted to spend it. By automating your savings, you can consistently build your emergency fund, contribute to retirement accounts, or save for a big purchase, all without having to worry about remembering to do it manually. Saving money every month doesn't require extreme sacrifices or lifestyle changes. By cutting down on unnecessary subscriptions, cooking at home more, using coupons and cashback apps, reducing energy costs, and automating your savings, you can easily start putting more money into your savings or investment accounts. The key is to make small, sustainable changes that fit into your lifestyle and become habits over time. With these 5 easy steps, you can boost your savings without feeling deprived, helping you achieve your financial goals faster and with less stress.